advice that you should take. You don't need to go harder. People chase intensity. It's a weird thing. It's like big bursts of effort, then they burn out. Like what actually works is consistency, boring, repeat, daily effort. That's where results come from. It's not this quick hit of I'm going to get this done, I'm going to get it all done in one day, or I'm going to get it done in 1 week, or a 1-year project, let's do it in 3 months. There's not consistency in that. Let's do a 90-day or a 45-day hard, or some kind of crazy workout in 90 days where you're going to lose a bunch of weight. That's going to burn you out, and then you're going to be right back where you were. It's small wins throughout the day. Consistency, it will compound, and before you know it, you'll look back, you won't even know who you are. You'll be a completely different person. You'll get rid of the negative people in your life. You'll become more successful. You'll make more money. You'll be in better shape. Everything will turn for you. Stay sharp.